Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this video, I'll be discussing how to prepare financial statement for non-profit organization, sports club, charitable organization and other organizations. So in this regard, I have picked one question. So let's go through the question first, then let's discuss the solution. Future Stars Sports Club commenced its operations in year 2015. You are given the following information of the club for the year ended 31st December 2020. The club had 350 members as at 31st January 2020, where the membership fee of a member is 2000 per year. So how many members? They had 350 members on 1st January 2020, where the membership fee of a membership is 2000 per year. So therefore, if you calculate the total membership fees, okay, so that will be 350 times 2000. So that will be how much? 700,000. Okay, so this is the total membership fees to be recognized in the year 2020. Okay, and also you are given the following information. The following information is available with regards to the membership fees. Two members paid their membership fees of year 2020 during the year 2019. Okay, so we are preparing this financials. We are preparing the financial statement for the year end at 31st December 2020. Okay, and some of the members, they had paid the membership fees in 2019. Okay, so therefore we can say this is paid in advance. This amount is paid in advance for the period 2020. Okay, then 10 members paid their unpaid membership fees of year 2019 during the year 2020. So which means 10 members, they paid in 2020 pertaining to 2019. Okay, so therefore in 2019 these amounts were in arrears. Okay, these 10 members did not pay in 2019, however they paid in 2020. So as far as 2019 is concerned, this was in arrears. And also 6 members paid their membership fees for the year 2021 during the year 2020. So 6 members, they paid their membership fees pertaining to 2021. Okay, in 2020. So therefore this is paid in advance for 2021. This is paid in advance for 2021. On 31st December 2020, there was no unpaid membership fees for the year 2019 as well as for the year 2020. Okay, so let's prepare the membership account first. Now since 2 members paid their membership fees of year 2020 during the year 2019. Okay, so these 2 members paid for 2020 in 2019. So therefore this amount was paid in advance. So therefore there was an opening balance of membership account 1st January 2020, brought forward balance. How much is the amount? 2 members times 2000. So that will be 4000 opening balance in the membership account. So when they paid this amount, okay, the sports club would have debited the bank account. Okay, the bank account would have been debited. Okay, 4000, and credited the membership account. Okay, so therefore this amount is, therefore this amount will be shown in 2020 as a credit balance, as an opening balance. So next one is 10 members paid their unpaid membership fees of year 2019 during the year 2020. So which means these 10 members, they paid their membership fees in 2020. So therefore this was in arrears in 2019. So therefore the brought forward balance in 2020 books of accounts will be 10 members times 2000, that will be 20,000. Okay, so 10 members times 2000, this was in arrears, so therefore this has to be shown as 20,000 opening balance. The next one is 6 members paid their membership fees for the year 2021 during the year 2020. So therefore this amount should be shown as a carried forward balance, because these amounts should not be considered as membership fees for 2020. So since this was paid in advance, this will be carried forward to the next financial period. So 6,000 times 6 members times 2,000, that will be 12,000. Okay, so next financial period means to 1st January 2021, that will be shown as a credit balance since we have received the amount in advance. Okay, then on 31st December 2020 there was no unpaid membership fees. So since the sports club had 350 members and the membership fee is 2,000 per year, the total amount to be received from the members will be 700,000. So therefore this amount has to be recognized as the income. So you can say income and expenditure account, 350 members times 2,000, so that will be 700,000. Okay, so this 700,000 has to be taken as income, membership fees. You can say membership fees 700,000 credit. Okay, now if you balance this account, membership account, so on the debit side you have 20,000, 700,000 and 12,000, which is 732,000, and how much amount has been received during the period? 728,000. This is the amount received from the members. Okay, so this is the answer for the part 1, the membership account, part A. So you need to prepare the membership account. Second one is income and expenditure account. So we have already identified the membership fees. Now it's a matter of taking the figures into the income and expenditure account. Now you are given the donations and there is a note given, donation should be recognized as an income for the year. So therefore we can treat this as donations as an income, 720,000. Then you have interest on deposit, interest on deposits, which is 432,500, and membership fees we have already identified. Then we have electricity and ground maintenance, so we'll take the expenses. Electricity 397,000. Then purchases of sports equipment, this is an asset, we need to calculate depreciation on this. Payments for coaches, you can say coaches 45,000. Then we have stationaries, printing and stationaries, printing and stationery 50,000. Then wages 400,000, and finally advertising we have 25,000. Okay, now finally you have to calculate the depreciation. How do you calculate the depreciation? It's given sports equipments are to be depreciated over useful life of 5 years, and depreciation has been fully charged for other property, plant and equipment held on 1st January 2020. So therefore 115,000 divided by 5. So that will be the depreciation amount, which is 23,000. So therefore, when you calculate the surplus or the deficit, so this is what we need to calculate under income and expenditure account. We don't call it a profit. So this, since these are not-for-profit organizations, so therefore we call it either excess or deficit. So if you take the total amount this side, so that will be 700,000 plus 720,000 plus 432,500. So 1,852,500. 852,500. So therefore there will be a surplus of how much? 912,500. So this is the answer for the part B. Okay.